Congratulations, Dr. Jason, Dr. Jinsen, to your wonderful accomplishment, becoming a platinum international diamond in Korea. This is absolutely awesome what you accomplished, and I am so proud of it because I know how hard you worked, and what you accomplished is just phenomenal. I know that we only can become successful in for life when we have a team like you have. This is a beauty pageant. This is a beauty pageant. This is just amazing. All these wonderful goals, and they look like new. I have to get on the detoxification program to look as good as you guys. And Dr. Jace Kim, you amazed me on top of it. You did not age one day with all the hard work you did. The accomplishment that you and Dr. Jinsen did with your 6 goals is amazing. So all of your goals, let me tell you, I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. And I am also thrilled what you started in Korea, which is the IDA, the Immune Diet Academy. The company geared towards you because they realized how successful you are and how caring you are with your people, Dr. Jace Kim, and this is exactly how they duplicate it to their people. It's a phenomenal group with an incredible success and one of the fastest growing country in the whole history of For Life. Congratulations to all of you. Some of you, of course, I met some of you I know from last convention, and I am very happy to see you again, and especially the new gold also in Indonesia. You know, that reminds me of telling you the story that my dear friend Dean Allen knocked on Dr. Jason, Dr. Jinsen's door, and he found both of them. That's one thing. But the other thing is that both Dr. Jason and Dr. Jinsen Kim recognized that this product is way beyond what they have ever seen. And they took it by storm and they made something huge out of it. As a matter of fact, you know, they closed their office, which was a very good office. But they realized they can do much, much more, and that's what they wanted, and to fulfill their dreams. I know that it's only the beginning. I also know that you who see me in this video today have plans already to become Platinum International Diamond as Dr. Jason and Dr. Jinsen Kim, which makes me very, very happy because I know that you're striving for success. I can tell you that the company is very aware of it. For the first time in history, they put the package together for you guys to accomplish even more with your different centers where you approach people with the diet and all these wonderful stories that you have. And I'm totally thrilled to be part of you. It's my honor to, again, to have you all in my group, and I cannot wait to see you all in Utah in April. The leadership that you give to your people is just tremendous. And I know it's your personality because I know there is a higher source, God, who helps you to accomplish this and to focus on your success. I wish for you that you strive for more and bigger things in life because that's what For Life is all about. And we should not forget all the different pillars, the success, the science, and the service. Because I love Foundation for Life. And as you know, for me, I love For Life. But most of all, I love you, Dr. Jace and Jinsen Kim, and all of your goals. And again, I have to do a lot of work to look as wonderful as you because, gosh, I sometimes didn't even recognize you on the picture. So, 사랑합니다. Dr. Jace, Dr. Jensen, and all of you gold. And see you in Utah. This is Barbara from Pleasant Hill, California. Bye-bye.